In this session, I'm going to talk about different kinds of reading strategies. In general, there are 3 types of reading skill that you will need to use in the reading test. The first one is called skim reading. This means that you read the whole passage or a whole section in order to find out the general idea. You need to do this as quickly as possible. The second kind of reading skill is called scan reading. This means that you look through the passage in order to find certain specific information. This is called keywords. Keywords are often factual, for example, it could be dates or places or names. The third kind of reading skill is called reading for detail. This is something that you do after the scan reading and after you have found your key words. Once you have your keywords, you look around them in order to find the missing information. It is very important that you read as quickly as you can and find the information as fast as you can. Remember that you have to answer 40 questions in only 60 minutes. There are certain strategies you can use to speed up your reading. For example, it's very important to read the questions first so that you know exactly what you are looking for in the passage. The second one is to read just the topic sentence. The topic sentence is the first sentence in a paragraph and generally gives a very good idea of what is in that paragraph. The third one is to divide up the text into 2 or 3 general sections to help you find the information more quickly.